Understanding Jira team and company managed projects. So what are team managed and company managed projects in Jira? Let's have a look at what Atlassian has to say about project team types. My name is Fatty Hawley and I hope you enjoyed this short video about Jira project team types. Projects in Jira can be created as either team managed or company managed projects. The core functionality of either project type are essentially the same, with some key differences which you should be aware of in order to decide what's right for your team and company. The fundamental difference between the two project types is how they are administered and whether that occurs at the team level or at the company Jira admin level. A quick comparison to summarize the difference between the two project types can be appreciated in this diagram. We will demonstrate key differences directly in Jira and what you should take note of. We hope this short overview, thanks to information provided by Atlassian, makes it easier for you to decide which project type suits your team best. For more information, you can visit support.atlassian.com and search for project types and how they differ. If we look into team managed projects in Jira, we can break it down into 5 key areas which will help us understand how it differs from a company managed project. Number 1, the setup is completely maintained by your project team within the project. This ensures you are free to manage the setup for your project as you see fit. It's a great choice if your team wants easier project configuration to get started quickly. Number 2, anyone on your team can set up and maintain the project. Number 3, changes made to project settings do not impact other projects. Number 4, it provides a quick and simple modern experience helping you get started with Jira. Number 5, a limitation, which is now your project boards in Jira will only show issues from your current project. So if you need to manage issues across different projects, then team-based projects is not for you. Let's now look into company managed projects in Jira. Here are 5 key areas to consider and compare with team managed projects. Number 1, complex setup is maintained by your Jira admin. This encourages best practices and processes which can be shared across any company managed project. You would definitely choose a company managed project if you need to standardize configuration across multiple projects in your organization or simply require advanced features that do not come part of team managed projects. Number 2, company managed projects are the best choice for teams who want to work with other teams across many projects in a standard way, with advanced settings that help your projects. Number 3, when a Jira admin makes changes to a screen, every company managed project that uses that configuration changes accordingly. Number 4, advanced features are provided in company managed projects such as parallel sprints, advanced roadmaps, and comprehensive agile reporting. Number 5, project boards allow you to display issues from different projects in your existing project board. There are 2 simple ways to identify which project type your Jira project is. Number 1, go to project pages and look for the type column besides the accessible projects. Number 2, open the project and from the left side of the project you will see at the bottom of the page a project type description. Let's have a look at some of the project settings available within a team managed project in Jira. Once you log into your project and you confirm it's a team managed project, go to project settings, then go to features. Here are all the features available for a team managed project that you can either activate or deactivate. Familiarize yourself, decide what you need. Some things that are quite important to activate something like Issue Navigator. Because we've activated Issue Navigator, once you go to your project, you'll see that you can click on Issues here and access all the different issues you have within that project. Let's go into a company managed project. The team demo is a company managed project. As you can see here, go to project settings and we can click on features. Again, by default, all these settings are enabled. But there are some things you can deactivate if you do not require. An important thing to note is components only appears for company managed projects and will not appear, and you cannot activate it for team managed projects. So if you have apps such as Vansah test management for Jira, that can use components as part of assigning and managing test cases against, then you will require a company managed project if you decide you wish to use the components to plan and manage your test cases. So if we were wanting to link this test case to a gadget component, they can also be linked to issues to have that traceability and management, then you will require company managed projects. As if you were to go into a team-based project, such as this project here, which is a team-based project, components does not appear in a team-based project. So some limitations like that occur for team-based projects. Hopefully that has given you a bit of an intro and an understanding of the differences between team-managed and company-managed projects. There is a lot more complex settings available within a company-managed project, which will be a different video and require a lot more time to dig into the permissions and the complexity of the settings and configuration that you can configure for your scheme, your Jira projects, and apply the company settings available across your projects. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our Vansah channel. Feel free to leave your comments. Otherwise, tune in for next time.